Vivo has officially entered the premium foldable market in India with the launch of the Vivo X Fold 5 on July 14, 2025. The new device aims to challenge the established players with a compelling combination of a sleek design, powerful specifications and a versatile camera system. Price at Rs 1,49,999 for the 16GB RAM and 512GB storage variant. The X Fold 5 is positioned as a direct competition to Samsung's latest foldable offerings. The Vivo X Fold 5 boasts a sophisticated design prioritizing a slim and lightweight profile. When unfolded, it measures a mere 4.3 mm in thickness, and when closed, it comes in at 9.2 mm. The device features a large 8.03-inch inner AMOLED display and a 6.53-inch outer AMOLED screen, both offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for fluid visuals. Under the hood, the X Fold 5 is powered by the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring flagship-level performance for demanding applications and multitasking. This is paired with a substantial 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing ample power and space for most users. One of the standout features of the Vivo X Fold 5 is its camera system co-engineered with JASIS. The rear triple camera setup comprises a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide angle lens and a 50MP telephoto lens, promising high quality and versatile photography. For selfies and video calls, there is a 20MP camera on both the outer and inner display. Keeping the device powered is a robust 6000 MHz battery which supports 8W wired fast charging and 40W wireless charging, ensuring that users can quickly top up the battery when needed. The phone runs on Vivo's FunTouch OS based on Android 15. Early verdict: based on the initial specifications and announcements, the Vivo X Fold 5 appears to be a strong contender in the foldable smartphone market. Potential plus: sleek and lightweight design. The slim profile make it one of the more portable large screen foldables. High quality display: both the inner and outer screen feature high refresh rates and AMOLED technology for an immersive viewing experience. Flagship performance: the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and ample RAM should deliver smooth and responsive performance. Versatile camera system: the JASIS co-engineered triple camera setup has the potential to be a leader in the foldable category. Large battery with fast charging: the 6000 MHz battery is one of the largest in a foldable, and the fast charging capabilities are a significant advantage. Potential cons: premium price tag at Rs 1,49,999. The Vivo X Fold 5 is a significant investment. Software experience: the long-term performance and user experience of FunTouch OS on a foldable device remain to be seen. Durability concerns: as with all foldable devices, the long-term durability of the hinge and folding display will be a key factor for consumers. The Vivo X Fold 5 is now available for pre-order in India and is set to go on sale soon. As full reviews from tech publications and users become available, a more in-depth understanding of its real-world performance and overall value will emerge. However, the initial impressions suggest that Vivo has a serious competitor on its hand that could shake up the foldable smartphone landscape.